You are now watching
Another one. Bruh. That was a horrible impression. Another one. Anyways, let's jump right into it. So we got the face. You're gonna choose that one right there because he is a chubby man. You know what I mean? There's no way to hide it. Skin tone, you can pick that one or a more tan one because he does tan a lot. Obviously, he's from Miami. Anyway, so let's just go to his hair. Hair's pretty simple. It's that one right there because he always has a fresh lineup. Color, and then let's go to the eyebrows, and it's gonna be those right there. Position right there. Just pause the video, copy it. All right, and then we go to the eyes real quick. It's gonna be those right there. Kind of got that, you know, that lazy look. Kind of copy that right there. Pause the video, copy it. Let's just jump right into his nose, and he's got that, you know, pretty big size nose. And you want to position it that way. Got his mouth. Let's check out his mouth. I'm gonna pick down right there. You can kind of pick, that can be like your opinion, but I don't know, just want to pick that one, and that's the stats. Color, that's the color. Oh, it doesn't really matter. Facial hair, kind of obvious. It's got the beard going on. You know what I'm saying? So you just color that. And then mole, there's no mole. No mole. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you make DJ Khaled.
Oh my god!
He's a big guy. There he is. DJ Khaled. There it is.
Oh my god!
Another one. They don't want us to make a me of DJ Khaled.